Welcome. Today we're learning the powerful 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique, a simple yet effective tool for managing anxiety and panic. This technique is often called the 5-4-3-2-1 anchor. It helps ground you by focusing your attention on your immediate surroundings through your five senses. It's a proven sensory tool designed to interrupt intense panic, distress, or racing, overwhelming thoughts. By systematically engaging your senses, the 5-4-3-2-1 method shifts your focus away from internal chaos and safely back to the present moment. Let's begin the exercise. The first step is to focus on what you can see. Name out loud or silently 5 distinct things you can see right now in your environment. Look around and identify them one by one. Next, we move on to the sense of touch. Focus on 4 things you can feel. Identify 4 things you can touch. Notice the texture, temperature, and material of each item. If possible, reach out and physically touch these 4 items. Feel the texture and surface beneath your fingers. The third step focuses on your auditory sense. 3 things you can hear. Name out loud or silently 3 things you can hear. This could be background noise, a distant sound, or even your own breathing. Now engage your sense of smell. What 2 things can you detect? Identify 2 distinct things you can smell. Take a slow, deliberate breath to notice any scents in your immediate area. Finally, we focus on the last sense, taste. What 1 thing can you taste? Name out loud or silently 1 thing you can taste, or simply notice a sensation in your mouth, like the taste of coffee or mint. Congratulations! By completing this process, you have successfully anchored yourself and are safely back in the present moment. Take a deep breath and feel the stability of being grounded right here, right now. This technique is evidence-based and widely used in therapy for acute anxiety and dissociation. Keep it in your mental toolkit for when you need it most.